Hello, Bitwig certified end user and professional DJ, Vic Vapor with you, and welcome to my Bitwig Studio 2.3 course. Before we get started, I just want to say if it's the first time you're visiting the Martini Lounge channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell, and we'll see you inside.
Okay, welcome back. So we just went over the basic idea of what a modulator is, how to assign it, and what its goal is and what it's trying to accomplish. But what if the modulator was just too wild? So if you watch this, what if that was just too randomly wild and we can't really seem to, for whatever reason, fine-tune it the way we want it to? Well, what we can do is, I'm going to select that, hit delete, and now that modulator's gone. So it's no longer affecting the filter frequency, or the frequency here, I'm sorry. So what if I just want a specific movement at a specific time or a specific way? Well, what I can do is I can record my automation. And the way I can do that is I'll go to the play button here, and you'll see that we have overdub, we have automation right, and mine is already pinned up here because it's something I use frequently. But automation right will allow me now to record my movement within the parameters that I'm selecting or moving. And it'll record that for us. So let's give that a shot. Close this guy out here. And that is the automation record or overwrite or thing is, it's this guy right here. We'll select it. And I'll hit record, play. And now it's waiting. It's not recording any automation because nothing's being done. But as soon as I begin to manipulate this, it's going to record that. And you can see now there's an indicator here that automation has been recorded and automation has been written. And now it's following that recording. And I'm still in record mode, so if I wanted to manipulate something else, it would record that as well. So now all those things that I've grabbed, maneuvered, and manipulated are all recorded into my clip now. So that is recording real-time automation or automation overdubbing.